Hi guys, welcome back to Zuri Interior and Decor. Today we are heading to the showroom to check out some stunning custom-made sofa sets we've been working on this week. Let's go. All right, here's the first piece. It's a gray L-shaped sofa with a unique bubble-like design. It was actually a Pinterest inspo that our client brought so that we could make it for them. It's built with high density fiber and reinforced springs. So it's both firm and incredibly comfortable. That's exactly what you want. Comfort that lasts with just the right amount of softness. Plus, these throw pillows, they tie the whole look together perfectly, and these are a discount from us. Moving on, we have this bold orange L-shaped sofa. I understand that this is the new color in town, so guys who are into trends, it's your time to shine with this piece. This one makes a statement. Just like the gray set, it's made with durable springs and fiber. But what really stands out here is the color. I love it. It's warm, vibrant, and instantly lifts the mood of any space. I've paired it with these round orange cushions and the patterned rectangular ones to break the monotony and add a bit of texture. Now let's switch things a bit. This is a sleek black two-seater. It's quite versatile and perfect for any setup. I've added this pink toned throw pillow to soften the look a little. Behind it, we've got this cream sofa. It's an angled sofa, and we've intentionally put it at the back because of the fragile color that we made it with. But that shape makes it quite unique, and the neutral tone keeps it classy and easy to style. Any colors or texture would go perfectly well with that. So now I know everyone has their own style, and that's why we offer full customization. And when I say full, I mean you can come with an inspo and tell us you want us to tweak a bit or adjust here and there, and that's what we do. So this is our fabric selection book that has just come. It has different textures, colors, and finishes for you to choose from. So whether you love bold statement pieces or subtle, timeless neutrals, or anything else, we have something for every taste. And the best part, you get to pick exactly what works for your space. If you're looking for custom made furniture that's stylish, comfortable, and built to last, Zuri Interior and Decor has got you covered. Let me know in the comments which design was your favorite, and of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. See you in the next one. Bye bye.